The GPS navigator of smartphones is one of the functions of greater utility that this technology offers us. Without a doubt, it is a tool that will get us out of trouble in a new city or country. Being this is a reason of not being able to use it always with Wi-Fi, and that the data plan is not enough to complete the route and reach the final destination. For this, there are options that we will present below, so that this is not an impediment when it comes to traveling and using GPS constantly. Google Maps always needs an internet connection, but when you're at a specific point, you can access from settings and then pressing the option offline zones, so you can select the area you want to download. Psychic. Unlike Google, download by default the map of the country or city where you are. You only need mobile data to activate traffic notifications or radars. It has 3D maps and is a very easy interface to use on the cell phone. It allows you to plan the route of your trip and look for the best roads. Its maps are free and will always be available offline, accompanying your navigation step by step, either on foot, by car or bicycle. You can save the places you like them and share them with your friends. This application is available all over the world and allows you to explore categories of hotels, restaurants and museums, among others. Carta GPS allows you to download all the maps you want for free without any limits. Offers routes, speed camera alerts, suggestions for nearby places, voice assistance and parking suggestions.